In this lesson, we're going to create the menus for the site. Now, I want to emphasize that whenever you're creating menus for your website, you have to make sure that you're very clear so that when visitors come to your site, they're not confused as where to go, where to click on. I've been on some websites that they have so many things going on that people get confused. So you want to keep things very simple and very basic. So that's what we're going to do. But before doing that, I want to draw your attention over to the cmext.vn website, and it lists here the features for the component. And one of the cool things about it is that it has a front end and it has a back end capability. So your users are going to be able to create an account. They can manage their coupons. They can create new coupons on the front end of the website. And as a site owner, that's where you want to keep it. You don't want users to have access to the back end of your site because they can change things. They can, do so many other things. So the front end gives them all the access, all the things that they need to do to post their coupons there. So here you see some of the things listed on the front end and also on the back end. This is something is really great, to have. So now let's go over to the site. And if you notice now we have just this one menu, which is just the home. So we're going to add a few menus. So you want to go over to menus. You want to go over to main menu. You can either click on this or you can just click on add new. So I'm just going to click on add new menu item. So we're going to add one for coupon, categories, merchants, sign up, and login. So the first one that we want to add is the coupon. So you put the coupons, and where it says menu item type, you want to click on select. And then you want to go over to system links, and then you just put an external link. Now we're doing it like this because we have to, there's some other things that we need to do, but I just want to lay out the foundation of this site so that way you know exactly how things are going to be listed. So where it says the link, I'm just going to put in this hashtag here and then click on save and new. And then the next one is we're going to create one for categories. And then we're going to repeat the same thing. Go over to system links and we're just going to put in external. But what we're going to be doing later on is that we're going to be changing all this external links to link to the component. Save and new again. And then we have merchants. So on the merchants page, it's going to list all the merchants that are part of your site. You can call it, merchants or, whatever you want to call it. All right, so we'll go to external link here. Save and new. And then we have the sign up, and then we have the login. So we're going to click here, sign up. So from here, you can click on the merchant registration. So this is going to allow people to, just create an account on the site. And then click on save and new. And then we're just going to click here, login. And go over to the CM coupon listing. And then we're going to have this here, the merchant management area. So merchants are going to be able to manage their accounts from there. And then once you're done, you click on save and close. So we've created those. Now we're going to take a look on the front end to see how it is. So let's refresh the page. Okay, so now you have home, coupons, categories, merchants, sign up, and login. This is very simple. It's very basic, straight to the point. Now, if you notice here, we have some stuff in the right-hand corner, but we're going to work on that later. All right, so now that we've created the menus for this, let's work on creating the categories.